This house behind me was one of our last staging in 2019, and now we're in 2020, new decade, and it is our first staging of the year. And before we will take all our inventory back into the warehouse, come with me and I will show you how we've done it. Come on! As you can see, we already have a packing material here in place, and before we will take everything out from this property, I would love to quickly show you what we've done and how we've helped our sellers to get contract faster. And this is it. 2020 is here. I believe it will be a great year for us and fantastic for you as well. In case you are preparing your home for selling, please do let us know. We service Virginia, Maryland, and DC, and perhaps we can help you, right? You never know. For now, thank you for watching, and I promise to take you to the next staging adventure. Dun, 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 dun. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.